Video, and today we're going to be making butter slime. So, materials we'll need: glue, optional paint, food coloring, and lotion. I'm using lotion so it can be extra clicky, and that's okay. Some material, and then I got this, and I got this, and then I have my air dry clay. So, let's get started. So the first thing we'll be doing is pouring the glue in. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of my glue in, because we're not going to be making such a big slime today. Okay, so I got that in. Now I'm just going to close it real quick. Next thing you will be adding is, I think I'm going to add some glue. Lotion, everybody. Lotion, not glue. Okay, now I'm just going to mix this in real quick. Now we're just mixing this in. Okay, let me move this out of the way. Probably isn't. I don't know if it was in the camera area. So now I'm just going to add some blue coloring. Wait, let me get it out. Okay, guys? So, I got the paint in. Now it's mixed in. Okay, so now, this is going to be very blue. I love the color blue, everybody. Because blue is so pretty. That's such a beautiful color on the camera. But it's not that color, but okay. Now, since it's all mixed in, now we're just going to add our stuffalo. So I have this little thing right here. It's like a syringe, and I put my stuffalo in it. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time. Okay, now as I'm mixing it, you will start to see as it comes together. See? So guys, when it's together, I will be back. Okay guys, so look at this perfectly blue slime. It's very clicky. Stretchy too. It kind of like that was. Okay, guys. So now the moment you've been waiting for, the butter part. So I always do this before I start my butter slime. So I get some lotion. Take it out, and then rub it in. This is how I make my butter slime. And I do this. Then I rub my hands together with all the excess. Then I grab my butter part. Well, my air dry clay. And then just a big ball like that. And then I do that. And I mix it. Ew, it farted. The slime farted, everybody. Then your butter slime will start to come together, everybody. So now I have to mix this in, so it becomes its buttery self. I love my butter slimes. Oh my gosh. It looks so pretty when it has butter in it. Butter slime, it's so pretty. It has to get mixed in. The butter slime. I'll be back when all of this butter slime is mixed in. Okay guys, look at this beautiful slime. It is buttery. It's very buttery, everybody. And it stretches just like butter. There's something I've known. There's always just one little texture with butter slime. It feels so cool. It really doesn't have the pokiness with butter slime, but it has a tiny piece of pokiness. It always has that tiny piece. This is how I make my swirls. Let me show you how I make my swirls. So you just keep doing this with your slime. So you stretch it, go back. You stretch it, and then go back. You stretch it, and then go back. And I do that 5 times. Stretch it, go back. Or even 10, because I love my things to be very swirly. Stretch it, and go back. Stretch it, and go back. And then I think it would be good. Then I do that. Just like so. Okay, guys, so I have a little challenge for you. Smash that subscribe button. Comment down below Notification Squad, and you will get a notification right at my video. At my next video. And put those bell notifications on. And subscribe, like, comment, Notification Squad, yes girl, yes. And you will get a shout out. Thank you, love you, bye. Oh, I forgot to say one thing. I post every Saturday and Sunday. So, hope you watch my videos. Hope you enjoyed. Love you guys. Bye.